Whaatalo whātua tātou tālafone whāna tū whāta CLO Radio Samoa mō lau whaafunga. Na whānatina atu sui o nanga whaalawalawi tutu whaafua sei, I se mata upuna wala au atu mai whaitu o Manukau Road, be tusa leo le tu lai fitu le tai au ana le la. O se whaalawalawi na awhia ni sule mamalu lau tele, e na whaamanino e to o 5 tangata na awhia I le nei mata upu. I reporti le New Zealand Herald na whaamanino ai le St. John, e to atasi se tangata o loo I se tūlanga ti ngaina. O le isi na maitawina fo I le onga a whianga o na manua, ma le tasi e to o tolu ai na manua miti. Ai o le isi to o lua e le ia a fietele, e na ftong fitia lava I le no whanga na tula I ai lea whalawlawe. I tala ango le neimata au poe whaapeo se li e tolus fulu anga ia tu le whaasfu tau sanga le matua. Na tā ue moli mau na wha o 5 se tamaitai, ma ia ngao ia I loa le ta avale o lea mawhine, ma ia so ai nai loa tangata loa anga I atu I wila vili vai, ma maanunu ai. Ua whailoa mai e leo lo tā whia nei lea li I lalo le lato vāvaenga, mana mai tauina le tāpuni ai o se vaenga o Manukau Road I le vā o Ranfurly Road, ma Queen Mary Avenue, a o whaawau pea suenga ale mtanga luengo leo, ma ua toi whetuna iai foi, ma awala o whemalanga I ngā pasi ale Auckland Transport. Wa mai tawina le vāvā o sui o le palemene, e winga I whaamtalanga na la lafwa le li minsta o le vā I fafo, o le taitai foi leo le vaenga whaapufai le New Zealand First, o Winston Peters, a ngai le suifai pule le vaenga whaapufai le Green Party, ya Lawrence Sunan. Whamawina a o tū lai le li o Winston Peters e whaatino sana fola sanga I lumo le palemene, o lea na whaalawalawe ai loa le li whai pule o Lawrence e a lailo na valwala au atu a o tau mawhai e whaaleo sa mata upu whaasino lea I le COVID-19. O le taimi tonu lewa lea na liliwa e ai loa Winston Peters, ma la lafo whaamtalanga ya Lawrence, to e fo I le mena e sawai. I lona whaaperitania, go back to where you come from. O whaupunga na whaalia le li pale mia o whailawasi na whailonga lanu, ma ele e tala whea ngai foi, le la lafo atu I le suifai pule saina. Ma o lea sa whai ai foi so la whailoa inga e winga I le mta upu. Ai no fisilingia e tu stala Winston Peters po lea se ungo le lata noanga ma le li pale mia ya Christopher Luxon, ai ele Itali le taitai o le New Zealand First. Ino fisilingia foi pe whaato ese ai whaapea mai Winston, e na te le whaato e se lava, ta luai le whaalawelawe atu o Lawrence, ia te ia a whaatino lana wholasanga I to tono le palemene. A o leo o whaamawina le tarusanga ina e le Green Party, le fofonga whetalai o le palemene ini e whaatonu ina Winston Peters, e toi ave ese ana whaamtalanga le tala whea ngai, ma le whailonga lanu, ma ia whaia sana whaato e senga, I le li o Lawrence Zunan. Inisio tala e ui o wha ilangi le fōlaunga a le li I longa e mata ua le ta alonga la kapia New Zealand ya Jonah Lomu. Ai o loo mana tua pea e le toa tele le sao lea tamali I le ta alonga la kapia to tono New Zealand. A o ta alo ai mo le awa le All Blacks I le tele o tausanga. E pei foi o na whaamawina le tu whaatasi ai o se ata po se documentary o whaingoina o le Lomu. O le nei ata na whaalawilo e le Civic Theatre I Aukilani o se tasi o vaenga o whaalinga o ata tifanga I tūlanga whaavao malo a New Zealand po le New Zealand International Film Festival. Whamawina le awai whaatasi atu le ainga o Jonah Lomu o wo mamai mai e masani ai mese o paanga ma wo na ta alo whaatasi mai e le All Blacks e mai moa ma sila I le ata. Whamanino I te tono le nei ata o loa whia ai umatala anga o le nei ali I ta alo whaapea nisi o ata matala anga e le whaalia pe na whaamatala mua foi I le olanga o Jonah Lomu. Whamatala e le tasi o wo ma sui na ta alo whaatasi ma Jonah le lii ya Kevin Mealamu o le awhiso soani tele le nei ata e whailoa atu I tupulanga talavou. Si tasi o sui longa le atina e ma le tau le lei ai o le talonga la kapia New Zealand a ta alo ai I le au le All Blacks. O lo fuafua le atatala le nei ata mo le mai mua lau tele le atunuu I le vai aso le asauta maa. Mai tala mulmuli o se tala fia o le maoa e o tau mawhai ngā alo ma tama whānau o Samoa I atunu e mamau. E peo na manmalo ai le tamaitai o Epenesa, te Wheeler Ellison I le taalonga le tau iwinga po le wrestling. Lea na ia sola ai ma le siampinu le laulangi I le vaenga le under 17. O Epenesa na tau vai lalo le fua o Amerika, I lea ta amirisanga whaavao malo na whaia I Baku I Azerbaijan. Ma wa veai e penesa ma siang pini le laulangi lona se lau lea ale awa le United States po le Team USA i le vaenga le cadet ma le vaenga i lalo i for sfufitu tau sanga le mātutua. O le ata mai tai e o na whaasino manga i sa tapuala ma le lepa i Samoa ma wa ia ta ua o lona sini o le tau vale i ta alonga le Olimpeka i Los Angeles i le tau sanga lua o lua valo. O nisi nā tātou reporti o mwhaina tu whaata CLO Radio Samoa mō le nei tu la le aso whaaf tai whaafunga mai tau whaa soifua.
Wa mawhai ora au da atu le tala o le tau i aso te itasi o na o le langolonga mai a le Auckland Council Community Flood Resilience Initiative. Mole a tulangang whaatai le whionga ia le unua ieli ai shahu tulawaenga o telefou ala Radio Samoa. E le rikfo ia wauli mātungo whio le aso lulu nei aso lima o le rima sino o kuso lua fe lua se fulu ma le ono. A whene e misi o lam whione te whaafunga iei le tu la e tonu i le a wauli nei. E mo te mnei o le nganei le tātou tala o le tau mo le somala so antai au mo au ki lani ma Samoa. Pe ona ura mai le l'officio le vai tau wa la volo no fo si le fia. O le sofa mai langi le le tau wa pe tai o la toi fa tupla ia foi ala me ta o le aisa manifi foi le i lunga o la ta vale malunga o le mutia i le po ana nei savilio le angi mai ya mai le tu i saunte i le nei a solulu. O le mawhanawhana pe o na ta o mai le l'officio le vai tau se furu ma le tasi tikeri mantua lau tala lena whai atu ana fia o le aso pito i sili lea o na manu lu i New Zealand ea ma o le awhia ngai tātou i au ki lani nei ea ma le manu lu e tasi le tikiri i le poa na nei i oi e le sa kalaula o le tasi le tikiri i le manu lu o le poa na nei o le angoto le la i le toe lua se fulu miru te le tu la e ono i le fia na nei o le vainga mala soa tai au e o soane le lai le sfuru whamiru te ai le fitu i le tai au e langi le lei le tau pe tai ia o le apapelea o na iai foi ia le aisa manifina o le frost i le asoa tai au. Savili angi mai le tu i saute ma mo wantu i le fia tai au. Talo whantu eile le nengwa hengo lea woli a inga wome ma sani Samoa lo ma futo mai lunga o le tātou wala leo na o le tasi o onu tesi ma le tasi wha mo i Samoa ma lo le whai o le whaiva ma lo fo i le on sa i ngā luenga tiuta ma whaiva lo whirima e pei ona whenga iai. O winga o le tau o au o savili o le toa lo savili mai sau te sae o au fiti ai pēr Samoa mai au mai au ma rei timu e a whiai le turu ini siu taini. O le so e ufitia va se vaenga o le langi au mara i timpu po o inisi o vaenga o le talafia leo i eini la pata inga mo Samoa i le so o le venga la mo le aso antai au le ato uluwa va solo i timpu po mai ono whaatau tau savili inisi o no fuanga o le tulanga nai pi o le iai e winga o le tau e le nganta mo le so e whapefoi i le aso antai au mo i tātou nei au kilani anto ai ma Samoa.
Faiste fuanga i tā pena e lau a inga mō longa. Tala noa i lau a inga i le mea i whai pe asi i tia le vai au tafo lo fali. Tu ua umeta ua i sino fuanga saunga le mu, ma whao ngā se a fianga o longa o tuanai. E whai ma le sona o le ona toe tu lai mai o ia fianga i lau a inga. Tanga i ane i le Auckland Flood Viewer a le Auckland Council i lunga o upenga te whailangi. O lo saunga le mu i taime o longa me mafa, o lo o iou lava lima.
Radio Samoa. Taslima Ivotomi. Ama.
Fia fia, olo uloto, ile manogi ole puata unofo. Saufa a solo Fia fia Olo uloto Ile manogi ole puata unofo E ono mea tele ai su ia saufa a solo Lela lele fa ole ole E matata e tumu ile tau fa ase
Tala e o la pea o ai o mato ni anga e lo la le maunga e malanga you ese la uma futana e le mafai o ngalo itanga tala utele talo fale ngalo o ele pele
Mai upo mai la mamacita Wala mga kausa hindi yake Koe lang señorita Sauce kasi sipa Misia uforinga Kuke pa pele yake Oe iyo Maukopo le makipa Kele mau telele Kole lang pa pe foi Aul samdia Uki pa ukingo yake Koe la keli Bunga oi Kole lo sa kumpa Kasi le pa Kusa dia lo makalasi Yani mai ndia fasu Nga uki pa pasi Kumu fale mai lo ala kausa La ufai singa leba nga ufaka Dikari
Ulu fale mai Sina ilo uloto DJ Ole rosa oi E ola tutasi E susulubea imasa O folinga e tuma beli Mafai ele timu Ona tafi esea O au wanga tausa Afi alo alo fa uofa Laula me parece sulubea Le ai cena te avesea Oh La 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 Le rosa ua so uwanuti momoya ine ole loto fa amamalu ole tu apoto oe belele anganga no imatole alopa e maringele mafae upuna fa amatana ete uma upea oile anganga ole rosa oi e ola tutasi e susulugea imatana ofolinga etu mabeli mafai eleti uona tafi esea oa uanga tausa afia lawa lafa uafa atumia Laula mepa e susulugea Lea isena te avesea Oh na 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 Ole rosa que un malucio loco Ole rosa que un malucio loco Ole rosa sa osuina Ole rosa que un malucio loco Ole rosa que un malucio loco Ole la namomo ai masina que un malucio loco Ole rosa oi e ola tutasi e susulubea imatana ofolinga etu mabeli mafai eleti uona tafi esea oa uanga tausa afia lawa lafa uafa atumia Laula mepa e susulubea Lea isena te avesea Ole rosa oi e ola tutasi e susulubea imatana ofolinga etu mabeli mafai eleti uona tafi esea oa uanga tausa afia lawa lafa uafa atumia Laula mepa e susulubea Lea isena te avesea
All I hear is Radio Samoa, Radio Samoa, Radio Samoa. Tasilima iwa tolu amo.
Radio Samoa, kasilima ivokolu amo.
Vivianga sui filongi o le riva ngolea uli talan tui fo i le tātou mafutanga i le reia sululu o le tātou wafoi e la sululu reia so lima o le riva sido o kuso lua afe lua se folu maleono le aso le tupu fo inisi o kampani e marisi fo pisi nisi le tutongi tai va yaso e o tātou le tai lua tai tolu tai fava yaso e tutongi ai ono sai ono sai e o mai lava le taimi e maua atu ai lau tuto e na paule me ta ua o le fai le leima le fua le o lau faa so voi le lau seile e le va pe maua mai loa i o ngai lua le male atoa ya e ngalo ya oe umale sululu so to e mele stof ya ona sauni mai ele o le fai unga o le vai so e fai to na ya inga le mo na moli le fa malo mo fa tai le tu ala tele ya te pe o le to ma tanga ya mai le tai ona li la se yo li me fo stemele ma wantu le wata to ma fu tai le ri fo i va ngola woli ile tu fa wa le radio Samoa tasi lima i tolu a moi au ki lani male tasi onu tasi male tasi fa moi Samoa ma lo le nganue ya ma lo foi ia le tu le mawhia le tua le whaatalo whai au na pa ia le tua lo tau suina li pawai o leola e so se whata whai tau langa la wai tono New Zealand ma turu i mama ma lo le talo ma lo le o no sai pa anga masani le tanto wala leo te mama tina ma tua tu mele muli panga tono mo te malawa ma do fanga foi o lo tau sia ilo o tau soi fua ma lo ina talo sia o le dai maua le malo si o le tino anto ai foi ma le mafau fau anto ai ma le nganga le malo si o le rua o lo fita i tunga wa foi i le seili ngā manuia le tau singa a inga ma le tau tua ai tau malele i o tātou a inga i Samoa ma lo le usu ma lo foi le fa ma lo sia e ma le tuala utala le no fea tua nafi o le malu lu o le po ana nei o le makua maka ukia na ufa pela uia ai o mai le so ia o tau sui mai le tala foi le o le tau pita o le fa mai le tala o le tau o le po ana nei o le po pito i sili le o na malu lu i to tonu o New Zealand e au fia tu ai la mantantu nei au kilani o le malu lu o tantou ele nganta i le po ana nei ai au fia tu ai mala so a tai au e tasi le tikeri ke le lo pole amenga le fa o ai tikeri ale famile tala tasi le tikeri o lo wing o le makua i malulu o le po ana ni ele ia se swinga tele tawona e faia le pau lea fa poposesia ua planke ke le po ana ni pe ava be te fa longo atu wa le mafaiona e moi ile alu atu o le malulu le fona tantu tala ai le neiva yasu ile fa ola foi le o la heat pump po le air conditioning tono to fane po lo mota po lo lao mo sina taime tau wai sina ma fan mo le ona to te pele ai ko fa ola foi la ile se kemio le so antai le talo si o le dai au ia tu nei tantu wala mo fana onga ole so o to il wai fo ile wa so tutoi o le neiva ia so le onga al fana ia la nganto fo ile onga wenga e pe ona fenga yai ai o se tala fa no e pe ona ta wa mai ai ia ni su fana wa onga ile pito no uleo epsom lena afia ina wa lo want to sit malo tele yo va en olmta politik an want to let malo faile la ve singa ma se fine ona so to waile o stanga to se sa maria ngalele e fe so ani le ma fine le ana le la taya pe tu so le 5 minuti e te ai le fito le taya ona le la na want to le da sa maria ngalele e so ani tu ye le ma fine le ai sangu ka malo so kongor ka vale a sisa maria ngalele ia malu ai lo male ato e fio lolo nei ta vale na la ve ai le 10 milion le tai au ai le nganta ile na e fio lolo fo i nei te maitia onga o lea sa ti antu yala to wila ya nga ile onga ile tai au la va na leila o le sa fa pela ona afia pe na la ve ai ile ta vale le na so la tu ai male ile o le wa pu e nei le ula le e fa mi fas fu male i to sanga o lona matua e pe ona li potia mai lea e le matanga alwenga o leo e to lu ia fana wa onga mai le Auckland Grammar School o lea sa a wina tu le frema e matuk tia le mele tu lai mai i le tai au na lila e to tas o leo lo yaini manu anga tu nga e mai o lo o a tau fiel frema i le taimi nei e le o mai loa po le tūlanga o le mafuanga na leina tupu le mea ai le ngata ai fo ina pa mai na umana la ve ta mai ti le se tu le ta vale le ula le ai ko ya lua koilo lua koilo marganga ka mo pat bo tu le ta va ai tangwa tu tangata le fa sa valia la to mai o se tasila o ma finele na fa sa valia na mai ia le foi ka wa ku ye le ka ka le ia ma pe ma se tasi o tai fa ile tai au ana leila ia o tele mai lo i po la le me na tupu ile tangata po le me e nga se o le mafau fau mau ai nga se tu mau ia pe o le me i so na pi tanga ile mafine le la vevesi mo ile tai ai o le tala le na o mai le lipot o te ia si mafine foile ile rua korgan ka tu inga ia le kongorga te vai ile uno tangata Ia, e le o sau fo i se tala, pe o le ale tūlanga na mafu, e le o mauti no, po o le mea i se wha le tono le mafau wha, ia po o le mea o la ea whaina lo na mafau whau i fuala au wha saina, e a tono lo ngā lue i le mata ngā lue ngau leo leo, i le taimi nei. Ia, tano whai nei whana wau, e le ngatai whana wau, o ngā ia na la vivea, ai o whana wau o ngā o lena la tō o antu whatasi. I lea whaida atu wai o lantou mafufa. I lea taimi o le taia. A lai o atu tomi te anga i lea au. Ea, o lea wa tāpena tātou mātua i le rivahenga o lea woli. E piki le whana wa onga i le tuku ai o a onga i stemi leo toi mau. Ea, a luatu loa loa talik polo wa fine tango fusima. Ea, ma e whai ei malo, alfa malo si lea onga le nea so whaafitai. O le nai te saunga le mu. Ai tano whai mātua o nei ni whana. Na a fia i le tai hawa na leila. Le aise se, le aise angasala, ai ke ia wa so afua. Lai vili wila le whana weo i le au. Sole, ma tau tia. Ia se i tātou whaatatat. Po le ale tūlanga o le au o ti e le tātou mta au pulida. I le taimi au mai eise isi a li poti. Mai le matanga luenga leo. O lo whanga solo ia la tū su enga i le taimi nei. Le leit talo whantua i le fionga ia na nai maua ma nai ioi ma loa li le whaiva ma loa le on sa ia e le ngantoi lea o Dolores ainu uhivi whaafawina tani yelu Mikaele Futi Rachel Sifa o Heaven Tasiva Valfitu ia whaafatelele lango mai Uproot ia ma le tamafoi ia Solomona Leasi Tavita Sui whaatau o le mafuta mai nai Penrith i Ausitalia. Ia, ma lola wale whai o le whaiva. Pau te tele le mafuta mai le tautua wha wawle rei al siu whonga le anturu mai au Kilani New Zealand, Radio Samoa. Ia, e te tolu waina o iau ngā luenga tuta ma whaiva o le rei a solu.
O whiwhia, o whalongo, o taunu. Sa o nofo fatali male, o no sai. O mau, ele umalong saluai. Ilo fia falongo sa upumai ya wehani. Ma imau, ma futanga, ma fana. Be analea ile fili ole ne yolanga. O ulangona wa mau. So uma o fratu o atae o vai le fia baya tu ia o hani se upumalu e faile ama usulu ni mo molulu liu pulu wetamusu se masalo wa emusu yata ita wataunu o upufa besi tenyu stila taulemu lo ufatu ia ufainga soy foya e malolo i lo ainga. Faya tu masongi yo fofola tinga ona leta u etu maupele lofa a oe uasui ilava ai sina upu setasi o te fiai. Oh, it's crying time again. You're gonna leave me. I can see that far away look in your eyes. I can tell by the way you hold me, darling, that it won't be long before it's crying time. vai o sina Pele e apule oe ilau fili filinga Ai tau ia ina ia manuia lau tau mawhainga Ai le mawhaina ngalo atunai o folinga Te mastalo wa e musu ya taita Wa tau nuu o upu whapesi tini usila Tau le mu lo ufatu ia ufainga Toi foi a ue malolo i lo ainga Toi foi a ue malolo i lo ainga
A whaia lo o yaini la pisi e se mai I la pisi maasani. Pei o tau ta whaate kunolosi, o tau ta mamafa, maisi. Awale la foia I le la pisi. Ai tanga I ane I le aucklandcouncil.govt.nz/where it goes. E te sila fia ele no fuangai avianga I ai. Tāmaki Turuki, All Together, Auckland.
Manu maloi se pepatalo o loa mo au whataunga I le Pack and Save Ball in E-World. Pe o tu fua foi lau tāwale le pangu o le BP. O whamurianga nei mai le DC Sao. Pe a e maloi alantu sei I aso whareile te tasi. Lafo sau topa tolus fultala pesili atu. E maua ilo wa varoa I le sei. Whapena foi pe a lafo sau se le ni e tolus e lau tala New Zealand pesili atu foi I Samoa. I le MyCash a le DC Sao. E whaunga I le ClickX. E lima whailonga tai se lau tala shopping vouchers. Ma le lima petrol vouchers. Ta I se lautala o le aseina I aso for Rayleigh te tasi e ia inga o le rei whaapitoa seki a DG Cell.
O e si la fia me e whaatino e mawhaiona e umia I so fale motu le lumanai. A whai fo I so fale motu o e si la fia mawhaiona whaatino ni si o fuafuanga e whaonga I le equity o lo fale. A wane e misiere por kalame o le malu I fale. Ia fiafi o sururu ta itasi le se fulu e te aile whaa. O le a e sila fia ai au wala e mawhai e ona e umia se fale motu le lumana ai, ma au wala e whaonga ai le equity o lo fale motu, e whaata wai se isi o fale, le pora kalame o le malu I fale, ia fiafi o aso rulo vai aso taitasi, se fulu e te aile whaa.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week, Radio Samoa streaming live on www.radiosamoa.co.nz.
Sa fia e lo tolu I musika. Kalene wa watu ya pen. Ile fakutai ya fia ala fia fasia. Tasal me ya manuia ya kalmuina.
Little imatautu malepeni sunlalai mulinu etaitu pitoia pia sio untau langa manaya le fepula fimai le sami ota uma fetu le langi wasulungi ya umasia unkani a omasa bali le masina se I susulu ia Samoa lo umatundu se I fai ma fia fianga ia lana tine matama olo si vai ma pepese matata lato ulele na omae vanila lo oleni na oa umasia upele tangi mai lewati olo otumai imatapele ai omae vamasia upele ta oto ai o pese matilo tino atu isisifo olo otumai ai le casino Mauna moli Paata amilo milo Peo se peramitai ai pupito Le masina se i susulu ia Samoa lo umatundu Se i fai ma fia fia Tende matama Olo si vai ma te pese Matala to ulele Na o mai vande lalo oleni Na o a umasia upele Watono matatau moa Wapa ai ngoa ai Samoa Le peni nau le Pasifika Wafai mamita mita ngaya ita Faapea ona lauiloa Ile lalo langi atoa Walai ona to atele le au mai moa ia Samoa Le masina se e susulu ia Samoa lo umatundu Se i fai ma fia fia Tende matama Olo si vai ma te pese Matala to ulele Na o mai vande lalo oleni Na o a umasia upele Le masina se i susulu ia Samoa lo umatundu Se i fai ma fia fia Tende matama Olo si vai ma te pese Matala to ulele Na o mai vande lalo oleni Na o a umasia upele
Su formalia le sunga ia ben betana i le rivang o la wombi malene pese masina se ie susum ida o toi luce fulu midu tau na tale o link July tolu Antonu i te le fia halu voi le fa foi sa pole masinga le manuru le la sa le po anani ta fa tala van tu ia te Steve mala ainga le rivang o la woli dai Canberra Australia Lucky Faleiva le mafuta mai dai Napier E mauki ngoa le manuru o ko ngangiri la e sili la kiki al manuru o ko yamako e fa malole a fo ile ngā lue e nai le wafu i Napier malole ngā lue malo fo ile fa malos ile riva hingo le o le la o ile na kiki le o whenga lue ngangangi e malu le fo ile le lau malo longa il po anani o tātou la i e whenga lue ngai il po anani e pe ona whai atu awala wai te taalo le manuru e whai asi maaki aki o le sau le manuru le la manuru e tātou le po anani ua whaisi umi o whaatalitali se tala e winga i le sunga ia lupe soli ai Joseph Parker e na ua le manu i ele whainga o lana siaki fo i lele i a bole drug test e le malolo ai le la talonga lea ma Fablo Wardley i le masino novema i le tausanga na sei ma vai atu nei e a pita yanela o le so o le ua whailo ma iei li poti o lea ua kilia le sunga ia Joseph Parker e toi wha wawai o na fusu wha profesa i le talonga o whai pelenga na tuina tu le sunga ya paka ia le tulanga foi lele o vaenga e whai le asiaki le masino November ia ma o le lenta ua mailunga I whamai e iei ele meni o le cocaine sa wha pēr lea o na iei tutonu o lona system I le nā taimi le na whaatino mai iei ia peita iane sa wha pēr lea o na tautino ia le whionga ia la lupusoli ai o ia o stangata na te le whaongaina ia fuala au whaasaina. Ia mai lana saunoanga la I le so, o lena ia sauno ai, o lea ua ia fia e tu ina mai. Ia le avese ai lea o le provisional suspension, ia po le whaamano longa le tu mau oia, ia mai le taaloa I le taalonga o le whaipelenga. Ia ma o se taimi o luma o le awhapelea, ia ona toi taaloa I le sunga ia lupusoli ai. E le ta longa o le whaipelenga. O se tala fia le da, ai o le amwhiona e whiloa I le sunga ia la uli a lupusole ai Joseph Parker, I le astona I nei, I le ta longa leo le awhaia I se tasi leo alo New Zealand, le li o David Nika, ea leo le a whitaui. Ea ma le li I mai au se talia o Floyd Mason, whaiele I au kilani le po le astona I a so nei. I le fusi leo le IBF I le panga o le Cruiserweight Title Eliminator e whaiale tonu o au kilani I le astona I a sau nei o se tala fiafiele mo le fo I alo le tātou taro o whaisi umi o tātou tāli tali ai I le tūlanga fo e pe o ne iai le whina ngā le sa whina wai e le I whaonga ina ia pe le I Io, ele whangaina le sunga ia Joseph Buck. Ia wha fuala a wasaina. Ia po, nisi fo io a fo. O supplements fo le whaonga le au ta anu. Ia o le tala fia la le da. O le company mai I Peritani. O le sa lanto whaial su enga ma lewa maua me ele ta. Wakili ai le sua fo le alo le tātou. Ia o se tala fia na mo I tātou. O lonowi, ia tālo sia wā lewa au kuso le neia le niwaita. Ia maua se isi fuso anga le sunga ia Joseph Parker. Ai le I taulunga ina ia le nei fo I tausanga. Ia o le tala atuna mo I le niwaenga o le hawoni ai toi wha tālo wha atuai. Pe awa peo lewa tai mawta mai le tautua wha wawa le Radio Samoa. Le nei fo I teimio le hawoni wa tauna e anga I e piki le whana waonga. Ina ua toi se fuluono nei minute o na tālea o le tūlai tonu.
busy. Awa lofa itu sia ini upu. Yang awa yaila ngona sewa pele. Iloto mama natu au ni alofa anga I ainga mawo. Ayani mafutanga wavala yo mao. Usu se be se malie. Usu se be se manaya. Ese batu bulangona. Ese batu bu fia fia. Fia. Ese famanu ailangona. Afaio se pese. Famalosi au. Ia tu sia iri upu. Fa'ala e au. Fai mai fofo. Famalosi ai. E uma mafatia. Tino male mafafau. Au e uma mafatia. Matu ale tau lau. Usu se be se malie. Usu se be se manaya. Ese batu bulamona. Ese batu bu fia fia. Ese famanu ailamona. Check it to the left, check it to the right. Let's the reckoning, take before I write. Say my lady, blessed, blessed, vibe there. You are my fanfare, I lily, you are here. Put your hands up in the air and say, oh yeah, oh yeah. Usu se be se malie. Usu se be se manaya. Ese batu bulamona. Ese batu bu fia fia. Ese famanu ailamona. Usu se be se malie. Usu se be se manaya. Ese batu bulamona. Ese batu bu fia fia. Ese famanu ailamona. Ese famanu ailamona.
E fiu semo le tufunga I le ringvaenga o le awoli na utoi fitu minuto na tale o le tulai tolu o su se pese mali. E fa tupu e langona o le fiatu ilunga. Ia malu I fafoi le la e mawaisi na mawhanawhan. Ia le lei. O e sila fia o le wafa e la wiloa mai le so. Sole. Ua matua I alu ilunga le whainga o tangata. E le ainia la tau ngā luenga I tono New Zealand I le teimi nei. Ea, ma ua si itia tuailea I le 50 leono pasena. Mai le tonu masina I tua atu o le masino yuni. Lono inga yuni me a perila. O le nā kuata. Ia ua tuana I atu. Ua makua makau ki ai le te leo le sitanga ilunga. O le awhai o tangata. O le ainia la tau ngā luenga e pei ona tui da mailea. E le ofiso wha maunga New Zealand, le Stats New Zealand. E pei ona whai loma I ele nasi tanga e o tesi ma le 2%. Ia mai le 5 tesi ma le 5%. E le kuanta lena mai a ele masino mati le nei tau sanga. Ia mai ua si iti aila ia le au whainga lea. Ia mai le afe on se lau ono ma le wha afe tangata ia. Ile se lau fitu se fulu ma le tas fia se lau fitu tas iafe. tangata o lea ua iai i le taimine i le tūlanga lea o le lea i ni ngā luenga. Ia fua tula iai mai le selau ono whai le selau fitas. O lona winga, o toe wha o popoina, le isi fitu afe o tangata. Ua le ini ala tau ngā luenga pe a fua le kwata mua o le nei fo i tau sanga. Ia mai ua maualunga antu lea i ni va inga fo i lele sa va ia i la tau ia i le poto ma le tomai. I le tūlanga tau tamau ainga i tutonu New Zealand. Ia mai whamai o le siitanga maua lunga lea o le afo. O le unemployment po o tangata i le ini ala tau ngā luenga. Talo mai le masino September i le tausanga i lua afe se fulu ma le lima. Le ana siiti atu ai le au whai o le afo. O tangata i le ini ngā luenga i le dawaita i le lima tesi ma le fitu pasene. Ia, e se ailangona o pa o vaenga whai i le mata upu i le taimi nei. Ia, pita iane, ona o le toa tele o tangata o le ini ala tau ngā luenga. I le wha le tonu ai o le tamau aina. Ia, o le tūlanga le dai pe o le iai. O le au whai o tangata Pasifika le sawai i. O lea e wha pe mai le tātou wha maumong. E maualunga atu tātou. Tangata Pasifika. Nei lo tangata mau. Ia, wha pe foi si tangata foi e mai isi atunu. O le iei tutonu i New Zealand. Ia, mai o le makua makau ki halalia. O le long-term unemployment. Ia, o le whima. E o antu le toa valu afi tangata ua whaisi lewa. O tausa ili pea ni alantou ngā ruenga. Ia, o nisi fo i lato. O lena wha malo lo i le amatanga o le nei tausa. E suinga fo i a policy sa le malo. Ia, e pe o na wha alawi lo fo i ma lau si le fia le malo le turu. Ia, o lo o avanoa le matanga luenga o le social development e te anga i fo i lele iai. E te anga iai o e au mai eisef so soani mo e malu ainga i le niwai tau e ui e le taiteina so se tongi sa e maua. Ia, aina na pauna le vaenga o le e mawhai ono so soani mai mo i tātou. O le awa le ini ngā luenga le niwai tau. Ia, o na toi whai e fo i le mau tusi tālu sanga mau tusi apalai. Pe umai ta i lua vai aso mawhai. Ina ia wha mautino ai. O le nai te tau mawhai e sa ini sau ngā luenga. Ai a whai o le ini sau ngā luenga le niwai tau. Ta au fi maula ngā luenga le te wamamu.
Wamavai atu aso lele moa mafuta raua e tuira ufatu masani ngā mea na wiloa ina Siciliana, oh, ever ilema
whaatalo whātua tātou telefone whāina tū whāta Cielo Radio Samoa mō lau whaafunga. Na whanatina ti atu sui o nanga whaalawalawi tutu whaafua sei. I se mata upuna wala au atu mai whaitu o Manukau Road, be tusa leo le tu lai fitu le tai au ana le la. O se whaalawalawi na awhia ni sule mamalu lau tele, e na whaamanino e toa 5 tangata na awhia i le nei mata upu. I reporti ma le New Zealand Herald na whaamanino ai le St. John, e toa tasi se tangata o loi se tūlanga ti ngaina. O le isi na maitawina fo i le onga a fianga o na manua, ma le tasi e to tolu ai na manua miti. Ai o le isi to lua e le ia a fietele, e na ftong fitia lava i le no whanga na tula i ai lea whalavlave. I tala ango le nei mata au poe whaapeo se li e tolus fulu anga ia tulu fast food tau sang le matua. Na ta ue moli mau na wha o 5 se tamaitai, ma ia ngao ia i loa le ta avale o lea mawhine, ma ia so ai na i loa tanga toloa anga i atu i wila vili vai, ma maanunu ai. Ua whailoa mai e leo lo tāwhia nei lea li i lalo le lato vāvaenga, mana mai tauina le tāpuni ai o se vaenga o Manukau Road i le vā o Ranfurly Road, ma Queen Mary Avenue, a o whaawau pēr suenga ale mtanga luengo leo, ma ua toi whetuna i ai foi, ma awala o whemalanga i ngā pasi a le Auckland Transport. Wa mai tawina le vava o sui o le pale mene, e winga i whaamtalanga na la lafwa le li min sta o le va i fafo, o le taitai fo i lea le vaenga whaapufai le New Zealand First, o Winston Peters, a nga i le suifai pule le vaenga whaapufai le Green Party, ya Lawrence Sunan. Whamawina a o tū lai le li o Winston Peters e whaatino sana fola sanga i lumo le pale mene, o lea na whaalavlawe ai loa le li whai pule o Lawrence e a lailo na valvala au atu a o tau mawhai e whaaleo se mata upu whaasino lea i le COVID-19. O le taimi tonu lewa lea na liliwa e loa Winston Peters ma la lafo whaamtalanga ya Lawrence toi foi le mena e sawai. I lona whaaperitania, go back to where you come from. O whaupunga na whaalia le li pale mia o whailawasi na whailonga lanu, ma ele e tala whea ngai foi le la lafo atu i le suifai pule saina. Ma o lea sa whai ai foi so la whailoa inga e winga i lea mta upu. Ai no fisilingia e tu stala Winston Peters po lea se i ungo le lata noanga ma le li pale mia ia Christopher Luxon, ai ele itali le taitai o le New Zealand First. Ino o fisilingia foi pe whaato ese ai whaape mai Winston, e na te le whaato ese lava, ta luai le whaalawelawe atu o Lawrence, ia te ia a whaatino lana wholasanga i to tono le pale mene. A o lea o whaamawina le tarusanga ina e le Green Party, le fofonga whetalai o le pale mene ini e whaatonu ina Winston Peters, e toi ave ese ana whaamtalanga le tala whea ngai, ma le whailonga lanu, ma ia whaia sana whaato esenga i le li o Lawrence Zunan. Inisio tala e ui o wha ilangi le fōlaunga a le li i longa e mata ua le ta'alonga la kapia New Zealand ya Jonah Lomu. Ai o loo mana tua pea e le toa tele le sao lea tamali i le ta'alonga la kapia i to tono New Zealand. A o ta'alo ai mo le awa le All Blacks i le tele o tausanga. E pei foi o na whaamawina le tu whaatasi ai o se ata po se documentary o whaingoina o le Lomu. O le nei ata na whaalawilo e le Civic Theatre i Aukilani o se tasi o vaenga o whaalinga o ata tifanga i tūlanga whaavao malo a New Zealand po le New Zealand International Film Festival. Whamawina le awai whaatasi atu le ainga o Jonah Lomu o wo mamai mai e masani ai mese o paanga ma wo na ta alo whaatasi mai e le All Blacks e mai moa ma sila i le ata. Whamanino i te tono le nei ata o loa o whiai umatala anga o le nei ali ta alo whaapea nisi o ata matala anga e le whaalia pēna whaamatala mua foi i le olanga o Jonah Lomu. Whamatala e le tasi o wo ma sui na ta alo whaatasi ma Jonah le lii ya Kevin Mealamu o le awhiso soani tele le nei ata e whailoa atu i tupulanga talavou. Si tasi o sui longa le atina e ma le tau le lei ai o le talonga la kapia New Zealand a ta alo ai i le au le All Blacks. O lo fuafua le atatala le nei ata mo le mai mua lautele le atunuu i le vai aso le Santa Ma. Mai tala mulmuli o se tala fia o le maoae o tau mawhai ngā alo ma tama whanau o Samoa i atunu e mamao. E peo na manmalo ai le tamaitai o Epenesa, te Wheeler Ellison i le taalonga le tau iwinga po le wrestling. Lea na ia sola ai ma le siampinu le laulangi le vaenga le under 17. O Epenesa na tau vai lalo le fua Amerika, i lea ta amirisanga whaavao malo na whaia i Baku i Azerbaijan. Ma ua vea e penesa ma siang pini le laulangi lona se lau lea ale awa le United States po le Team USA i le vaenga le cadet ma le vaenga i lalo i fosfufi tutau sanga le mātutua. O le ata maitai e o na whaasino manga i sa tapuala ma le lepa i Samoa ma ua ia ta ua o lona sini o le tau vale i ta alonga le Olimpeka i Los Angeles i le tau sanga lua o lua valo. O nisi nā tātou reporti o mwhaina tu whaatasia la Radio Samoa mō le nei tu la le aso whaafitai whaafonga mai tau whaa soifua.
Wa mawhai ora au rātu le tala o le tau i aso te tasi ona o le langolonga mai a le Auckland Council Community Flood Resilience Initiative. O le dawe toi whaafunga i le au rātu tātou tala i le rikvaeng o le auli a telefou e peo na funga rātu e mataparina e le whiunga i a leurua i ali a isha hutio le vaeng o telefou a le Radio Samoa. Pa maloa toi mātua e langa toi leo awetawale umalawa le nanga i antu e piki le whana wa onga i le tu wai wa onga i le reia salulu malo e a mailea o ngāli tamaiti sa e tamalelei sa e teine lelei i le onga i le reia so wa i le reiro fuspa ue wha maua wale whaia fue le si tamatiti le si tamaititi mea ngai kupo e fuole pisa lelei wa inga nei le tātou talo le taulanga i antu le poana nei mala so anta mo au kilani ma Samoa. O le venga le so i au kilani langi le leile tau o le aangi mei fo i savili mani tu i saute e le hawauli nei o le ai le me tau o le frost no fuanga o le ai le e mo le mea le aisa manifi fo i lele i longa o tau le malmutia i le poana nei o le mawhanwhana o le ringa so lulu sfulu ma le tasi tikeri o le malulu i le poana nei mo au kilani tasi le tikeri e ngoto le la i le whiwhiana nei le toe lusfulu midute i le tu la e ono i le whiwhi o le venga mola so antai au e o sone le la i le sfulu wha midute te ai le fitu le tai au mo au kilani e langi le le i le tau ma o le awhapele o na vaia foi i le frost i le tai au toi tali mai le poa tai au so viliangi mai le tu i saute wha solo antu e ina mau mali antu i le fiafia tai au toi wha talo whantu i le ringvaeng o le afiafi Samoa o fitu malafu minuto te ai le whai Samoa wha teile ma to mai lunga o le tātu wala leo o le tasi ono tesi malatasi wha mo i Samoa winga o le tau o au savili o le toa loa savili mai saute i sasai o lo ofiti ai pēr Samoa mai au mai au manai timu e a fiai le anturu i nisi o taimi i le sola mo Samoa ofiti svaeng o le langi au manai timu popo i nisi o vaenga o le tala fiafiele o yaini lapatainga mo Samoa i reia salulu o le venga mo le aso antai o le ato uluwa vasalo ai timu popo ma e ono wha tau fo i savili i nisi o taimi tulanga nai pe o le iai winga o le tau le ring fo i vaenga o le awoli ya wala vai le dofusi le fielo to pa ia ma lo to mabalu e le tulanga fo i pe o le iai winga o le tau le ngata mo i tanto i nei New Zealand e po tanto ni au kilani ai fa pe fo i ma Samoa
a e fia i lope ono lo fielo fale i lolunga si akilo fanua i le Auckland Flood Viewer a le Auckland Council i lunga o upenga tawhailangi si akilo to atu si pele ono a fiango fielo mau tailo longa. Talanoa ilo ainga I me fai pe ama mawhati munga. Fa ama mama tewo tu ama ota. Tātou tele pōrea le tau. Ai mawhai ona tātou sa uni mo fisuia ingo wingo le tau. O lau sa onga le mu I taimi o loo longa mamafa. O loo yo lava lima.
Radio Samoa Tasi mai batolu
Radio Samoa. Tasilima tu.
O le ua iwa malafa miru tau tēne le tula e tolu I le rei fo I teimi o lea wauli toi whamalo toi mātua o le ranga ia toi piki le whana waonga toi wa ai tasi folava ia nei o la tau fōsi pa u fo I le rei teimi o lea wauli ai tau tele ianga ia tu mo ainga o lo o wha muli mai Vantala vantu le uso ia sene kuanta sene malo le tafa o I le ngā lue malo fo I le whai o le whaiva I le nei ia sololo Bernie la faele Bernie o mai le maunga o alapati le neia solulu talo si olo e manuia tipa ma la isea fa'alaf talo fatu le nei fo i vaengo le awolia tau tātou wo se moli na ia tātou walo mawhanau i ainga Olo yele tātou malo whaalologia o la tātou talanoa i stemio le awoli o le so o le fionga lea i le li taitai o le Pacific Justice le fionga ia anai awha anai ia awala wa i le longa puieri o lau taupa ia ma lau tau mani Inisi o mata upu ia e au lava ona e lau si la fia e hono mo mi ai lau so soani ma lau langolang i le fina wina o nei mata upu i le malo New Zealand i tonu o New Zealand nei se fulu tasi minute o te e nei lei tu la e tolu.
Hello? Mom?
Le
E alofa moni lea o te no fo mau. Ele o sa o fia tama matu. Alo o fia manu malo i lau fatu. E te tulaga e te paali i wana olo u ata mo u pati pati.
Whaitanga o le nei vaenga lea wauli na wa se fulu malirima minuto tēne ia le tūlai tolu i le tautua wha wauliri i le Radio Samoa tasi lima i wa tolu a mō toi wha tala whantuai le nei vaenga lea wauli a bea peo lefu toi mafuto mai le tautua wha wauliri i le siu whonga le turu Radio Samoa tasi lima i wa tolu a mō e peo rau tā ua stimi wa sola e le tātou malo wha alologi e le nei fo i vaenga lea wauli ya o se tamali i fo le tātou turu e le tau wha ailo i a lona wha siro manga e le ngata fo i lea o lana tautua malau na au nanga e le ngata i upu whai o le malo le tātou turu nei o New Zealand e ai whape fo i lo tātou wha siro manga i Samoa le nei vaenga le a woli a whiwhilinga o leu tauru mai le sa o le fionga ia anai a wha anai o le Pacific Justice a wā fo i le wha la wiloina o nisi o mata upu o lo o ia whina wina e le nei vai tau le tau sanga wha tala wha antoe lau fionga anai malo so i fuma langi ma
malo so i fu se mai pap tai fo ni avno
ya malo le sopo malo le wha malo si mai anai o le so mai tau i le sa wale malo lu le usa
fai espenka ai ma e mo i malu ka e o fe lo
e o le fa mai e tasi tātou nani o lono winga o le va ve mo e al tali o le po anani lelei malo fa tai anai ia o le mai tau atu e fe lolo nisi o vaenga you are fighting for a lot of our people in the Pacific, and I think some of them do not really know what you are actually fighting for, and you're fighting on their behalf. Now, let's start with the Pacific quota. Now, I know Samoa gets 1,100 available slots per year. Why are you fighting for the Samoan quota or the Pacific quota, Anai?
Well, basically because when it was set up in the first place, it was set up to fail.
Mm.
You know, it was just totally unjustified what they've been doing to us, treating us like idiots for so long.
Yes.
Right? Now, from day one, they expected somebody from Samoa to get a job offer from somebody in New Zealand who doesn't even know who he is or what his experience is and all those issues. But they expected us at that time to get a job at $15 per hour. The hourly rate in New Zealand at the time was $7 per hour. Justify that to me.
Wow.
Right? So back in 2003, when we started on the Samoan citizenship case, I raised this issue with Phil Goff, who was the Minister of Immigration. I said, this is chaotic, it's not fair. He understood what I said and he backed it, and they made some changes. Those were the first changes.
Yep.
But since then, we continue on this issue that you have to, when you're drawn from the ballot, you've got a job offer to present. How again do you get a job offer when you're living in Samoa in a village somewhere with no experience and a company's supposed to offer you a job?
And how did we get it wrong from the start?
We didn't. We've never filled the quota. We've never been able to get it. But then it was a little easier to get the jobs. But this is a situation many people are caught in right now. They have a job offer.
Yes.
But by the time the processing by New Zealand Immigration has taken place, the job offer has been withdrawn.
And that is very sad.
Yeah, because put themselves in the situation. They want to do this same thing. They come to me for a job, I give them a job. I'm not going to wait for a year. I want them now.
Yes.
If they're not coming now, the job's closed. Somebody else will take it. And that's precisely what's happening to our people in the Pacific at the moment, right?
Yep.
Secondly, when that job finally they go and check it, the job's gone. They ask for another one. You get another one. Go back, the job's gone. And then third time, they come back and say, you got 2 weeks to get it, otherwise it's all over. So how do you do it in 2 weeks?
And where do the people get the money to do all these processes?
Absolutely. And on top of that, it opens up to opportunities where some people can capitalize on the situation. I will get you a job. It'll cost you this money. But they're doing that with a good heart and trying to help.
Yep.
But the failure is they can't control the person offering you the job and how long they will wait. And that's where the failure is.
Yep.
Now, I'll give you an example here. This is not a Samoan example. This is an example from another big nation of the world. I heard about this case. This person offered people from this country 150 job opportunities.
Wow.
Right. They had to each pay him $60,000 for that opportunity.
60K each?
Yes.
Wow.
So these poor people had to borrow money from people to try and meet this need just to get that opportunity. So when they get here, this guy decides, I'm going out of business now, closes the door, goes to Australia and leaves these people stranded high and high, with nowhere to go. And they've spent this money they owe somebody else. Those are things that are created by the ignorance of the New Zealand immigration stand on this, right? So that's what we've had to live. Even this week, I've had a young lady, educated, wanting to come, had 2 job offers, turned down because it was too late, and gave her 2 weeks. That's just ridiculous.
Yep.
So because of all that, Pacific Justice has been advocating this, and it needs the support from our people.
Yes.
And I'm going to be blunt about this.
Yep.
You can't sit on your backside watching us do the work. Without your support by signing the petition, nothing's going to happen.
Absolutely.
Absolutely nothing's going to happen, right? We are asking the New Zealand government, and the petition's on their table now.
Yep.
That will close on the 31st of January next year. We want that the people from the Pacific, if their name is drawn from the ballot, to be issued a 6-month work permit to come to New Zealand immediately and find the job to satisfy that need. That's the fairest thing we can do to people.
Yep.
And if after that 6-month period they don't get a job offer, they need to come back immediately. If they're deported, they throw everything away.
Yep.
Right? That's being fair about the balance here. But you've got to give people opportunities. You've got to meet your obligation. You gave this to Samoa in 1960, in the 70s, it was in that period, after the Treaty of Friendship, as part of the Samoa's relationship with New Zealand.
Special relationship.
After 1962. We're the only country with a Treaty of Friendship.
Yep.
And yet, we've been treated as nobodies. And I mean, I don't blame New Zealand about this.
Yep.
I blame ourselves. This has been the failure of previous Samoan prime ministers. We have been governed by whaaloalo.
Yep.
That's the governing factor of everything we've done. So because of that, we haven't used the Treaty of Friendship to ask for things we want or need.
Yes.
We say, they give us all this aid, we should be grateful. Well, my answer to that is not the case.
Yeah.
Aid is a different thing altogether. The needs of the people of the nation has to be satisfied first. And so we have a Treaty of Friendship that has never been acted from our part.
Yep.
We also have a protocol that has never been acted by our part. So we all should be extremely grateful that we now have a Prime Minister who sees there is a treaty friendship that hasn't been enacted, and he's going to enact it to make sure all the issues that need to have been raised for many years will now be looked at. And so hopefully he is going to use that to look at the quota and say, this is unacceptable as it stands. Changes have to be made. It is totally unfair for people who put their name in the ballot box, spend money and hope and pray and everything else, and get this thrown in their face. It's as if they give you with one hand and they take it with the other.
Absolutely.
Where is the justice there? Where is the fairness of that? And why did you do it in the first place if this is what was your intention? Because that was the intention.
It was to make it harder for our people to even come to New Zealand.
Looks nice on the top.
Yep.
Dig underneath. That's pretty sour.
So you talk about the petition now at Parliament.
Yes.
What else do you need from our people?
Go to Facebook, look up the site. It is a very simple process. All you do is pull it up, go in, put your name in and your email and vote.
Yep.
Finish. Now, I'm hoping and praying that we will get 100,000 or more signatures on this petition. At this point of time today, it's 3,500 names.
Yep.
And I know that we have to go to Samoa and talk to it because that's where the biggest number is going to come from.
Yes.
And so I'm hoping now we're getting close to closing up on the visa thing that we will be able to go to Samoa and start motivating this. And I know for once we will go and we'll have a Prime Minister that's going to stand behind us and say this has to happen, get in behind and support it. So that's what I want to say about the quota.
Yep.
The quota does not lie with the responsibility of Pacific Justice.
Yes.
We have done our job. We have put everything forward to say this has to be done for our community. The responsibility now lies with the people of Samoa and the Pacific to sign the petition, to send New Zealand a message, we are not accepting this rubbish anymore. We want some action now.
That's right. So when are you, do you have a plan of when you're going to be heading to Samoa?
We hopefully come this month or next month. It's just a timing thing. I'll come to that in a second when we start talking about the visa, and you'll see what happens. But that's where we are at the moment. So all I'm trying to say today in a very strong, sympathetic, but whāroalo matter, get off your backside and go and vote.
Yes. How many petition? I mean, how many people are you trying to gather together?
I want 100,000 names on that petition, and I can tell you this much. Back in 2002, 2003, the committee in Samoa for the citizenship issue worked extremely hard. We got 100,000 names out of Samoa. 100,000. So don't tell me it can't be done. If the will is there, it will be done. And I feel very strongly that this will happen.
Yes.
I was disappointed the visa didn't get to that type of number, which I predicted, but there were problems in there as well that hopefully we're overcoming. That's where we are today.
All right, so mole whaafunga le tātou tunu, anga I lunga o le tātou penga te whai langina le Pacific Justice, o le download ye le tātou petition nai mawhai o ne anga ye ma saini, whaatumu lo suafa, na paua nao me whai, ele aluise se tupe, ele aluise te miumi na lo saini la volo, amina le tukwa ye o wha maumaunga, ona o mila i le pate na ye lunga, ona umala i le. Let's talk about the other issues that you're fighting for at this time.
Right.
Visitors visa, Anai.
Yeah. So the visitor's visa, and the governing word here is visitor, right? That's what I want our people to understand, because this is crucial here. This is not to come here to go to work. This is not come here to stay put. This is to come here and follow the rules that we have laid out for a visa on arrival. Now, this is the story. 3.2 billion people around the world can come to New Zealand direct or via Australia from over 60 countries and get a visa on arrival. Less than 16 million people are Pacific. No way. No deal. You've got to apply. I've just come back from Egypt and Turkey. In Egypt, you arrive at the airport, you pay $30 and you get a visa.
And that's it?
Finish. In Turkey, 57 million people arrive per year. They just get their passport stamped for a visitor's visa. And here, we're still living in a cave. Yeah, we're living in a cave in the treatment of the Pacific people that can no longer be accepted. Now, we put our the petition in before last year, and then on the 11th of February this year, we presented the petition to Vavasa Manea, Winston Peters, and from there on, he presented it immediately into Parliament. So the work has been going up until now. Last Thursday, I had a meeting in Wellington with the Petitions Committee, which are 4 people, 2 from National, Labour, who leads the committee, and 1 from the Greens. From my heart, I can tell you that these people fully understand and appreciate our situation. But they've got their jobs to do, and they will be governed by their own parties as to which way things are going. And I know that our people all want an answer yesterday for what we're trying to do today. It doesn't work like that, unfortunately. This takes time. So this meeting was the final meeting that I wanted, because I wanted them to understand from that committee what we are saying, why we are saying it, and why we need it. So they have got that fairly clear now. The next move now, they need to take up everything I have said to the New Zealand Immigration Office and see what their answer is. Right? Now, this is the thing that has been blocking us with everything. They keep on labelling us as overstayers. That's the only word they can label the Pacific people with. So today's numbers in New Zealand, 20,000 overstayers. 4,000 are Pacific people.
Wow.
4,000, right?
Wow.
That equates to 0.078% of the New Zealand population of 5.5 million people. That is absolute absurd rubbish.
Yes.
Right?
It is.
And I'm telling you, if we took this to the International Human Rights and told them, this is how we're treated. And if I take the case where they spent with Samoa, which was open for 1 hour a day, 1 hour a day, providing a service to over 200,000 people. And they've got to come from Slovakia and other places, and they shut the door. Now, we didn't agitate for that in 2024. which we got it in November that year, thanks to people like Winston Peters who stood behind us, we now have 8 hours a day. But you know what? 8 hours a day is rubbish because they just don't care. They don't take their time. Nothing is serious. I've had one classic example I can say without mentioning. In May, one of our prominent families, niece had died in New Zealand and they wanted to come. On the 15th of May, they filed with the New Zealand Immigration, sending the birth certificate and saying, this is the funeral day and the family service day, we would like to go. 5 days before the funeral, I got another call saying, nothing's happened, we haven't heard from anybody. So I went to Cameron Brewer, who worked for me in Parliament and now the Associate Minister, and I said, this has got to be sorted out. He dug into it, and this was their answer. First, it came back and said, we've only found one application. Don't know where the other application is.
Hey.
Yep. And then, on the 24th of May, the one they said they didn't have, they gave a visa for. And the one they said they had, got it on the day of the funeral. Now, why did we have to wait 11 days after doing due process and application? And that is because they didn't give a damn about the urgency of someone's family with deaths and funerals and families.
Is it fair to say they're just sitting on their bums, Anaya, when they do that to us?
I wish they'd fall in the toilet hole.
It's ridiculous because it's not just their family. Yeah, I've heard the same story from so many other families.
Everywhere we go, same story.
And it's so sad because this is what I hear, right? After migrating to New Zealand, the Pacific is our backyard. Is this how you treat your backyard?
Yeah, they throw the rubbish there.
Oh, man. So what are we saying to our people? What are we saying about the visitor's visa?
Okay.
What are you saying to the government?
Okay, so my message to our people is simply this. Be patient and wait. We filed last week and I said to them clearly, I want this to be presented to the House before they rise on the 24th of September. I want this to be treated with urgency, which they can if they want to, because it's only fair the people of the Pacific have a decision before the elections so we know where we stand and who we're going to vote and support. That's important to us. So that's what we've done. And tomorrow or by Friday, I will be sending a message to every member of Parliament to support this. I will send them a copy of the petition. I will send them a copy of a letter saying, we need your help to get this through. And I'm contemplating to release the letter that I sent to the Minister of Immigration last year, copy the Prime Minister, copy the Deputy Prime Minister, copy the Associate Ministers, where I said, this is unfair and it has to be sorted out. And I asked her in this letter, I said, just close your eyes. Put your feet in our shoes. You've just had a message. Your mother's died. Your father's died. Your sister or brother's died. Or your child has died. And guess what? You can't go to the funeral. Because your immigration doesn't give a damn. And I can tell the world today, she has not had the courtesy to respond to that. Not the courtesy. If I was in her shoes as a minister, the first thing I would have done, picked up the phone or send them an email, come and see me on this date, let's have a discussion, find the problem, find a solution and implement it. Not ignore it. But I'm telling you what, my reading between the lines about this minister, she's saying to herself, why should I care about the Pacific people? They don't vote for National, so they can go sit in the backyard. That's the attitude that I'm reading. And yet you get people like Winston Peters who stand solid behind us. Absolutely solid behind us. And that's why I'm promoting everywhere, because we need to have respect for the person who helps us. And let me tell you, citizenship would not have happened. Would not have happened. If Vasamane Winston, and that time David Seymour from ACT supported us. I'll never let that go. He stood up and they said, yes, we're backing this. So that's how we got it passed to go to the committees so they can listen to the voice of the people. That's what happened. And at the end of that debate, every party was on board to support Samoan citizenship, except there are a few things that haven't been done. And I'm hoping, and I know he will do it, that our Prime Minister, Lauli, will take this up and see if we can straighten those little things out. So that's what happened there. So in this case, we are hoping for one or the other. To be honest, Our people have to understand this. If no answer comes out before the election, accept it. Because then we can argue that this has to go to the readings. So if it goes to the first reading, and they agree this needs to go to the select committee process, that in my argument is in our favour.
Yes. Because
for the first time, they are going to hear the voices of the Pacific people put in submissions and listen to it. Let's not forget New Zealand citizenship for Samoa, 25,000 submissions. The committee themselves were in tears when they heard these submissions. In the end, they had no choice but to stand 100% behind it.
Yep.
And my gut feeling is very strong on this. If we go to the select committee and we pound them with over 100,000 submissions, they got nowhere to go.
Yes.
They got nowhere to go. So that's the vision I have on it. All I'm asking our people, come on a journey with us, have some patience. Every day, pray for our success. And, you know, as I say to my team, there's only one decision maker here. He will give us his decision when he's ready for our people. We just pray and wait.
Absolutely.
And so those are issues that I will talk about this afternoon that are important as far as the Pacific people are right now. I want to go back and come back and we'll talk about the portability of pension.
Yes.
Right. Now, portability of pension I did on the 1st of October 99 when I was in government at the time. And I want to raise that because I want to remind people of their rights, what they can do, because I tell you this much, most people have forgotten about it. It's been too long. They don't know their rights and what they can do. And government's not going to say anything about it. But in brief, I want to say this. If you have worked in New Zealand for 20 years, and you can go back to Samoa, you are entitled to portability of your full New Zealand pension, right?
Yep.
Full New Zealand pension.
Yes.
And that is, but the point that I'm trying to make an adjustment when we put the next committee, select committee process up and file a petition, that they are required to come back to spend 5 years between 50 and 65. Now that to me is ludicrous. I accept the time because I want this through. But today when you think of it, why would someone want to come, and even if it's 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 5 weeks, and add up 5 years, this is an unnecessary cost to the New Zealand taxpayer.
Yes.
Because when they're here, they're New Zealanders, they can do what they like and demand what they like. That's what happens, right?
Yep.
And so we want that adjusted to be fair about it. So what I'm looking for, as long as they come and retire in New Zealand on their 65th birthday and then apply for portability, bingo, it's all over. It's as simple as that.
Yep.
Right? And it's like the case when we talked about the New Zealand citizenship case, right? I argued at that point that I think New Zealand was responsible to pay those elderly Samoans who remain and live in Samoa 50% of their New Zealand pension. They don't want to come here. They just wanted the freedom that they were entitled by the Privy Council decision.
Yep.
And yet we were locked out like the Jews in the desert for 40 years. We had 42 years. And they still didn't give us the Privy Council decision.
Yeah.
The Privy Council decision was very clear, and it said any woman born after January 1949, married to somebody born between 24 and 31 December 49, got the same entitlements. They're refusing that. They're saying they've got to go through a process of making an application. My argument, why? The Privy Council, your highest court, is very clear. Why? Now, they denied the rights of the children.
Yep.
And the heirs. And I accepted that. I accepted it for one reason.
Yep.
Samoa is concerned, as most Pacific nations are. Mass migration will destroy them.
Yes.
And so I didn't buy that, and I'm not fighting for that because I don't want to be held responsible for that. I want to be held responsible for things that need to be done as far as that's concerned. They're minor and they should be done. So those are some of the issues that we're discussing within the Pacific Justice of what we want to do for all our people. But the one thing that gets at me all the time is simply this. Our people in all our Pacific nations, our leaders of the Pacific nations, has to start realizing you can't continue to sell our land to foreigners. you can't continue to give away passports to foreigners.
Yes.
Because that gives them the right to own land in the Pacific. Now look at your little countries. They're this big. When it's all sold and gone, where's the people going to live?
Yeah, on canoes.
Right? And today, our young people around the world are now looking backwards to our homes in the islands and saying, yes, there's an opportunity. I want to go and exercise my knowledge and my learnings that I've had because there are opportunities. So that is one thing I always say in Samoa. I say, pui pui Samoa mo kai au.
Māori.
Pui pui Samoa mo kai au.
Malova mtaia nai le ringaingo Laoli. So in order for people to read up on what you have been doing, I see you've got your website here, anai.com, is that correct?
Yes, in Samoan Justice and following that one as well. We are out there in the Facebook and everything else.
Yes.
Just talking to our representative in the States, he's pumping more stuff out. So there will be a lot on the Facebook and Instagram and all these things here that they can pick up and know exactly what we're doing. And I just want our people to understand a simple thing about all this that Pacific Justice is doing. We are identifying what is wrong in the way we've been treated all our lives. We want to be treated equally as anybody else.
Absolutely.
Where justice is what we're looking for. And don't treat us as second-rate citizens. We are not. We have built this nation like anybody else. We came in the 40s, we manned the factories and still man the factories, right? They shouldn't forget that.
Yep.
But more importantly, the RSC scheme.
Yes.
Now, he wants to brag, we're exporting a couple of $1 billion worth of fruit and stuff overseas. Well, why doesn't he ask this question? Who the hell did that for you?
That's right.
Who the hell did that for you? The Pacific people came here and worked in those places to turn this into a $2 billion export, which never happened before. Never happened before.
Yeah. And if we take the Pacific people out, what's going to happen to the industry?
Oh, they'll go and lie under the tree and eat the apple.
I think the correct word here is just be fair to the Pacific people.
Exactly.
And give us what is truly earned by our people. And give us the access that everybody else, like you mentioned before, how many billion people come to New Zealand and just get their visas done here?
3.2 billion at the moment. And let me tell you something that hasn't come out and they're hiding is this free trade deal with India.
Yep.
Now, my answer, why did immigration have to enter a free trade agreement? We didn't do that with China and other places, but it's been done here.
Yep.
Now, just imagine this situation as far as we're concerned. If Luxon and the national government decide that part of that free trade agreement is visa on arrival for another 1.5 billion people, that makes it 4.7 billion people of the world can come to New Zealand and get a visa at the airport, over 50% of the world's population, and your neighbours, this is their second home, are treated like second-rate citizens.
Man.
It is a time for them to wake up. And I'm telling you what I'm concerned about the future here. At the moment, first of all, when we came, it was Pakia, Maoli, Pacific.
Yes.
Now it's Pakia, Maoli, Asia, India. We're dropping back.
Yes.
They don't let us in. They force us back. But when Maori become the third, watch what's going to happen in this country.
Yeah.
All these idiots and their thinking are not thinking about tomorrow. And this free trade agreement I'm about with immigration, and I'm not anti anybody. I'm just saying, where is the fairness here?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And so, if these people come with all this, where are we all going? Where are we all going? We have a mass number of people that are leaving New Zealand unhappy.
Yep.
We have businesses, the largest in the history of New Zealand, have folded, gone under.
Yep.
Created because if they bring somebody in from overseas to work for them, New Zealand immigration is demanding you pay $35 to $40 an hour.
Man.
So if we in New Zealand are sitting on $25 or $30, what are we going to ask for? Do you think we're going to sit back accepting that? Rubbish. We want the 40.
Yep.
So what does it do? It forces the cost of the New Zealand product up like this.
Yes.
Right? So people are going under because they cannot compete at that level of cost.
Yes.
When you can buy, import, duty-free, tariffs-free, maybe $5 or $6 for a shirt.
Yeah.
So if I'm cost me $100 for a shirt, how do I sell that in this? We are going to have a nation of this country of consumers only. All our people who can make things and that will slowly disappear. So are they thinking that long? All I'm saying is this. Judas has returned and sold us for 30 pieces of silver for short-term gain.
Yep.
But long-term, irreversible pain for this country. You know, so that's why the country doesn't know where it is.
Yep.
It is extremely concerned about where they're going, and they look at a government, the National Party, driving it, who doesn't really give a damn about them. So I've said, why should one Pacific person waste a vote with the National Party?
Absolutely.
And I'm saying openly, and I'm saying it today, vote for who you want in your electorate, because there's a number of our people standing up to represent you in different parties.
That's right.
But give your party vote to New Zealand First and Winston Peters. I want to see him in a position to govern this country and lead us in the right direction.
Absolutely.
And I think people, I'm not trying to be political here. I'm just trying to be very fair and balanced of how our people are starting to feel. And I'm telling you, not just our people. You'd be surprised if Palangis have come to me and said, man, I used to belong to National, I used to be to ACT. No way, we're going with Winston. We have to maintain that. And all this rubbish that's going on right now, yes, it's a game being played to try and poison him again. And he's used to that.
Yep.
The media's been doing that to him all his life.
And he doesn't care.
He doesn't care. And he wins. Because when you actually analyse it, he is the only experienced Member of Parliament in the House today. More than anybody else, more knowledge than anybody else, and actually loved and admired and respected internationally.
That's right. Anaya, it's been a pleasure having you back on Radio Samoa, and we look forward to catching up with you in the near future.
Absolutely.
And thank you for sharing your knowledge and encouraging our Pacific people, especially our Samoan community, to back up Pacific justice. And in order for New Zealand immigration and, of course, the government of the day to give us the fair treatment that we deserve. As our forebearers, our forefathers have come to New Zealand, our grandmothers and grandfathers have been working so hard to develop this country. You have a lovely afternoon, and beware, it's 1 degree tonight.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Manuia tele nei e fiafi fa sui foia. O le nau mai moma fa fonga antu le tātou. Tunu le nei foi vaenga le fiafi e le soundanga mai le teitai o le Pacific Justice e to tonu o ni se le nei le fionga ia nai afa nai vai le tātou petition e po le tātou fidanga nai lunga o lana upenga te whai langi e le Pacific Justice e teanga ia i saini ia ona avela ia le tufatasi e momoli i le pale mene o New Zealand. O le wato is fululua minute o na tale o le tu la e wha.
Siwa uanga oi oi lolo fa ape epe e ualoi loi suiti sua mali epe yo se poi ninoi pe yo se loi siwa uanga oi oi lolo fa ape epe e ualoi loi suiti sua mali epe yo se poi. Pelu
Think a minute. Not long ago, a famous movie star and his son were put in jail for doing illegal drugs together. A rather tragic father-son bonding activity. Being busted for drugs together. Like father, like son. Do you want your son to be like you? Our sons learn to follow our example, both by our words and by our ways. The things we tell our children we believe are important usually end up being the things they believe are important. Walter Reuther, the labor leader of the United Auto Workers in the U.S., was greatly influenced by his father, who was a union organizer. Reuther's father taught his sons at home how to debate major issues. Their father said, "It was no accident that 3 of my sons became leaders of labor unions." However, we fathers teach our sons far more by our daily ways of living than just by our words. Our son watches, listens, and learns from the way we work, the way we play, and the way we treat people every day. Since actions speak louder than words, our sons learn much more from our daily example. More is caught than taught. Someone said, "Till a boy is 15, he does what his father says. After that, he does what his father does." A young man told his father, "When I was young, I mostly closed my ears when you told me about right and wrong. But what influenced me most was watching you every day. I imitated what you were, not what you said." A major study was done of wealthy families with teenage sons in trouble with the law. Though the fathers told their sons to be honest, hardworking, and respectful of others, those same fathers would cheat, lie, and make dishonest business deals. So it was no surprise that their sons were in trouble with the law. They followed their dad's bad example and ways, not his words and speeches. So, Dad, ask yourself, what is there about me I don't want my son to copy? Do I have character worth copying? Why not ask Jesus right now to forgive you for not living the way you know you should, and to help you start changing, so you can walk your talk. Then you can have confidence and a clear conscience and want your son to be just like you. Just think a minute.
Sophie Sample le vainga o le auli na ua toi 5 minuto lo toi o le tale o le tula e fa tolunga toi e le polka mena o le think a minute mo ma we tanto uma le vai o le sola to mo sei si ona fa poponga e le taimi masani i le aso anta yao e mo le tole ma le anga fa te tele sa mo le tanto ba tanga mai le woni na leila si uri bele de taimi le fiafi o le singa no le to mali i le tanto ba tanga e po to le to tai le taimi sa si la vai te to le to e lo to soi formal bantu wala anta yao to fsil fa ye foi e longa o pe au manga lunga lo e to pena mai le sa le fianga yali anto so via e male por kala mena o nga ngai fo favor pe mai foi tanto tala mai tala i vai fanua i le foi vai ngole fiafi o le so lonu le so limol di masino o kuso manu tele fringa malo longa malava singo to e filo ai te au fa so i foi ya
Tolo imbatautu male peni sulla mai molino le tai tu pito ia pia si o utaula manaya e fe pula fi mai le sau o ata uma o fetu o le lani e sulungia ia umasia uhani a o masa vali vali le pasina se i esu solo ia samo no uatulu se i fai mafia fianga ie mama atene matama olo si vai ma pepese matata lato tulele a omae mane ilano ole ni na o masia ukele Ele mafai nama ona ngalo le tafe mali o mai singano ono ai tine matama yung alona awala lao papa le pasina se i esu solo ia samo alo uatulu se i fai mafia fianga ie mama atene matama olo si vai ma pepese